etc. Just I want to give a quick update. Okay, if we refer to our analysis, I mentioned that if you have anyone is in the trade within the from here, they should take out the trade when the price was within this move, because this is, we were expecting to get this correction. And as we can see, we mentioned if this correction is the move start to be corrective, maybe we can look for sell. But beside that, when the price was exactly here, based on lower time frame, we mentioned if we get one more drop, we can look for buy. I think it was here. We were looking for this. But anyone take this buy, they should take out the trade, because we mentioned the way it's correcting is not good. I mean, it cannot give us really sharp content. Any move which is a reversal, we're expecting to get the sharp. But anyone take the trade, if they should take out the, I mean, they are in the trade, they should take out the trade, because when we see this kind of the move, mostly we will expect the price to drop. Okay, that's why. Now, if you want to look for trade, if this one continue as a corrective, there is a continuation, I don't think so we can get good trade if you want to look for buy, unless it changed the correction. But right now we cannot confirm, and when we have this kind of the move, mostly we can expect the price to drop. That's mean if we get any sell, we can look for I mean, if we get a sell setup, we can look for, we can trade it. And if you want to trade, at least we need a sharp move with the flag to look for sell. All right, now the question is whether we can get or not. Maybe similar to what we have here, but if we want to look for trade, maybe we don't get this kind of the sell. Maybe the drop can be quite shorter. Okay, but right now, based on what we have, may we get one more drop. And if we move to higher time frame, because the way it's moving is really corrective, now we see what we get from this correction. How deep this one can be, or this is the start of the reversal. And if we, because we cannot say whether this is a correction or the start of the reversal based on daily chart. And how about if we look for forward chart? All right, we have been putting this one in relative to this for one more drop. We have been talking about this. That's why when the price was here, we mentioned the price can drop because of this option, because we were talking about the different option. Not the price drop. No, we want to see whether this one is a correction for one more or for the continuation, at least to retest this low or not. Okay, that's why if we want to trade here, we need to be quite careful. And if you move to 1 hour chart, this is what we see. Now we want to see if we get the sell. I think the best of, I mean, we will be more interested in if we look for sell rather than the buy, because the way it's moving, it cannot give us a buy, even there is a continuation, unless this one turn to a different correction. Okay, by the way, we just look for this, we see whether we can get any sell or not. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any changes, I will update. Thanks.